Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at that. I'm gonna leave it on until we leave the garden. I'm not gonna pick it until we leave the garden. How nice is this? Last little burst of tomatoes. Look at all these tomatoes. I can even make some fried green tomatoes, since there could be a frost anytime. Oh look, there's a tomato hornworm, look. I've never seen it, and look, it has the parasitic wasps. So you guys, that's a tomato hornworm. They will eat up your tomato plants. The white things all over it are parasitic wasps. That is so exciting. Those parasitic wasps will kill that tomato hornworm. Yes.
The truth of the matter is we didn't tie up our tomatoes this year. I've never said that out loud.
Somebody's crying. Arthur's gonna go see. I mean, it's Brighton. He's gonna go see what's going on and if it needs attention. I am actually coming out here to just dig up a few sweet potatoes. I'm not digging up the harvest yet. I just want to make this really good soup. Okay, there's the leaves. Look, what's that? What is it? Oh, it's a shirt. The things I find in my garden. It's tempting to say that we failed at gardening this year, which is sort of true, but holy moly, we eat out of this garden almost every day. We definitely failed at having a beautiful garden, but I just found something beautiful. Holy moly, these are gorgeous. That one's a little bad. The reason I don't believe we failed at gardening this year was because we did some experiments and learned a few things. Yes, our garden is a jungle. It's just amazing to me how resilient a garden can be. Okay, we need to pick these hot peppers and dry them. They're gorgeous.
They have hot lava in them.
Hot water in them?
Hot lava.
Hot lava in them.
He says, no, don't pick them. They have hot lava.
They taste like they have hot lava, but it's not really hot lava.
I just ate one.
Did you eat a bite of one?
Anyway, I just feel like this year's garden is such an encouragement to me, though it could be a super discouraging situation, and it has been on certain days. First of all, we've had abundant flowers. Look at all these gorgeous peppers. Gorgeous. So many peppers still coming. So even though, yeah, it's not perfect, I do feel like it's successful because it has fed our family. So all you people out there who feel bad about how awful your garden looks or turned out to be, don't give up. Keep going, try again. Find the encouragement in it so that you won't give up. I found the patch. Now I just have to find the potatoes.
Mr. Wilder, Mr. Wilder, are you a garden baby?
Arthur went to go look for a pitchfork, and so I'm just clearing out this row. So he gets back. You know, I really just need enough for supper for tomorrow. We may not be Deep South Homestead, but it's just exciting to think all we did was stick these in the ground. Granted, they had to fight with the weeds, so they're small, but they're mighty, and we can still eat them, and I'm gonna make amazing soup and hashes with all these sweet potatoes.
I found a baby sweet potato.
Yes, you did.
No, wait! What's this baby one?
I think I'm gonna string these up.
Mom, what?
So these are hot lava peppers.
Let me see them. Uh-oh. Mom, I will hold one.
No, put it back in.
Uh-oh.
You need to wash your hands before you touch your face.
Mom.
Woolly caterpillar.
So,
Thank you, woolly worm. I'm gonna pick a bouquet for every One of my close friends.
What? Caterpillar?
Oh, who got the tomato? What happened?
Donald.
I was literally just saving it so I didn't leave it in the garden. I mean, that was like 20 minutes ago.
He's right there.
You, Donald, you.
Okay, what kind of caterpillar?
I am really upset. It's tomato hornworm right there. See it with the white things all over it? My 5 minutes in the garden turned into 20. And now I have a few suppers. And I definitely have my breakfast for the morning. And I have snacks for the kids. So even if you think, oh, I've only got 5 minutes to go out to my garden, or I've only got 20 minutes, just go out there. We're having a very simple meal. Mamas, make simple meals if you need to. We're just having sausage and steamed kale. That's it. That's all. And everyone will be happy.
Sounds good.
I'm not making him set the table with me because he hasn't had a nap. And every time I ask him a question, he cries. So, the reason we're not having sweet potatoes, since you asked, Brighton, is because I wanted to cook a really quick supper. I have a leftover one. Do you want it? It's cold.
Can I have one? It's a long.
You're welcome. I'm so thankful I had a sweet potato in the fridge already cooked.
Give me yours.
Is that good?
Mommy.
You're doing a good job eating it. Okay, it is 8 o'clock and it is way past bedtime. Grace is finishing up the supper dishes. Getting some teeth brushing done. Where do you... Daddy's using the headlamp. What is this, the dentist office?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to film anymore because it is the chaos of bedtime and I want to be fully present. So, it's been a great day. It's been a great day on the homestead. See you in the next video.